Vocational training is hands-on by nature, but adding stories can make it come alive in the classroom. When we use real-world scenarios, success stories, and relatable narratives, learners see how skills work in the real world and build pride in their future trade. In this video, discover 7 powerful ways to weave stories into your vocational lessons. Share day-in-the-life snapshots, highlight inspiring success stories, present real-world case studies, use historical context, role-play customer interactions, showcase before and after projects, and invite guest speakers to share real stories. Job skills via stories, engaging vocational students with stories. 1. Share day-in-the-life scenarios. Describe a typical workday for someone in the vocational field. Detail the challenges they face and how they solve them using their skills. This helps students visualize their future role. 2. Highlight success stories. Tell inspiring true stories of past students or professionals who excelled in the field. Focus on how they overcame obstacles or used their training to achieve goals. This motivates learners and builds aspiration. 3. Use problem-solving case studies. Present a real-world dilemma from the trade as a short story. For example, a plumbing issue a technician faced, or an electrical fault that needed diagnosis. Have students discuss how they would approach the situation. 4. Integrate historical narratives. Briefly share the history of a tool, technique, or industry standard. Explain how a specific invention or practice came about and why it changed the trade. This adds depth and appreciation for the profession. 5. Role-play customer interactions. Create mini-stories where students act out scenarios with clients or colleagues. Focus on communication skills, problem identification, and solution presentation. This builds practical soft skills alongside technical ones. 6. Before and after project stories. Show pictures or describe a project from its initial state to its completion. Narrate the steps involved, the decisions made, and the challenges overcome. This demonstrates the entire scope of work. 7. Invite guest speakers with stories. Ask professionals in the field to visit and share personal anecdotes about their work. Encourage them to talk about memorable jobs, funny mishaps, or moments of pride. This provides authentic insights and inspiration. Adding stories makes vocational training more engaging and memorable. It helps adult students connect with the material, understand real-world application, and build confidence for their future careers. Use stories to bring your vocational lessons to life. Please share this video in your network. And don't forget to browse our website for more teaching strategies and textbooks. The CBL team, your partner in student engagement, retention, and learning.